Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. On this channel I help people to raise their vibration and raise their consciousness. And today I'm gonna talk about how to lucid dream, what is a lucid dream, because I've done lucid dreaming for some years now and I really want to share my knowledge and my experiences, and also how you can control it and what kind of things you can do other than just controlling it. Like you can, example, talk to others' higher self, or you can ask your subconscious mind questions, or about your possible past life, which I do believe in, of what I have experienced through my life and what kind of things I've gotten knowledge about past lives, about my past lives, and in general how the universe works, the law of attraction, law of vibration, and that we are eternal spirits and we are not humans trying to be spiritual. We are spiritual beings trying to be human, because we are not this body, we are energy, and that is a fact, that we are energy and everything is energy. But today I'm going to talk about what is lucid dreaming. So lucid dreaming is where you become aware that you're dreaming in a dream. So usually we are not aware that we're dreaming, we just think it's normal, that what we experience in the dream is just normal, but when we wake up we're like, what the heck just happened? Like that dream was just weird maybe, or was scary, or you didn't know where you were and stuff. But when you become aware, then you can do whatever you want and you can manifest whatever you want. And you can really do anything just like that, because in this material world it takes time to manifest things, because it's like a lower vibration. And in dreams it's much more like you are more focused, more in a like meditative state. I think it's that, because when I like dream I'm really like clear-headed and focused just where I am right now, and I can just manifest things as I think of them. And I think that we manifest much quicker now, because the energies on planet Earth is rising. You can like what the heck is the word? Okay, now I got the word. It's measure. You can measure the energies on planet Earth, that it's rising, and then when it's rising you manifest things so much quicker, both negative and positive thoughts. But positive is always the highest vibration, so you manifest faster when you are in positive vibration, like feeling peaceful, love and joy. So in a lucid dream, let's get back to lucid dreaming and how you can lucid dream is really important. The first step is to write down your dreams when you wake up, because if you don't remember your dreams, how can you remember a lucid dream? So write down your dreams just when you wake up, even if you're so tired and you just can't like move and stuff, but just force yourself to do it, because when you wake up you forget your dreams really fast. So just maybe just record it if that's more comfortable. But when you've done that, then you need to do some reality checks, because when you've remembered your dreams and you have written them down, and if you generally just remember your dreams, like always, like I remember almost always every night my dreams, like I have like 3-4 dreams every night I remember, and we all have dreams, but it's not always that we remember them. And then you need to do a reality check, and a reality check is where you look around and like ask yourself, is this real? Like, is there something weird? Or like ask yourself what you did for an hour ago, and if you can't remember, then you're maybe dreaming right now. Well, then the other thing that is really easy, and I do like the reality check I do all the time, is just counting my fingers. And the reason why I do that is because when I'm in a dream and I count my fingers, there's usually like more than 5 fingers, and that's not normal. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm dreaming. And sometimes I'm like in a shock because I didn't expect it. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I was like, what the heck? Or there's like a light around your fingers, or they just look weird. Because in a dream, like I said, you can manifest things like that, and it's like sometimes it can be a little bit blurry, but you can ask for help to get it more clear. Just say it in a dream and set the intention to get more clear, and then it will actually get more clear if you believe it. And I have tried it many times, and it's like it feels like reality. Like my senses are just real. Like I can see and taste and smell and touch, and I can hear also. It's just like in reality. I would say maybe like 9.5 out of 10 like reality, because there are some times when it's not like complete reality like this, but it's a really wild and great experience, and also can be scary at first and also really exciting. Because first time I had my first lucid dream, I was so excited that I woke up like this face because my heart was just pounding so fast because I was so happy that I was aware that I was dreaming and that I was in a dream. And I was in a forest, and it just became so real, and I could hear the birds singing, and I was just so happy that I woke up. So it's really important to also just like chill and just to be curious about your hands, maybe just looking at your hands, so you like focus on something else than that the fact that you're actually aware that you're dreaming in a dream for the first time. But it's also okay to wake up, like then you have the other night to do it again. So it's so fun, and you can dream up to an hour every night lucid dreaming. I haven't tried lucid dreaming for an hour because I like needed to focus more, but the longest I've tried lucid dreaming is probably 20 minutes, and that's also really long. You can also set the intention that you're gonna lucid dream just before you go to bed, just when you feel really tired and just about to sleep. That is the most important state to do it in, because that is where you're like more clear in a meditative state, and you're just about to get into your subconscious mind. So there you can set the intention that you are going to have a lucid dream, and you can also visualize that you are dreaming a dream maybe you had last night, and then the difference is that you're getting aware that you're dreaming in this dream you had last night. That could just be like a more like strong intention, because you visualize it and you believe it more when you visualize it, because the brain cannot see what is real and what is not. It's what you visualize that is really powerful visualization. And that is also a really good method to manifest things in your life. And if you want me to talk about that more, then remember to like and peace, and also in general about lucid dreaming, then like and peace and subscribe for more. That would mean the world to me, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and you can write in the comments if there's anything you would like me to talk about, any questions or anything like that. And then I just send you much unconditional love, and I'll see you next time. And this made me also question reality so much, because what is real if that feels so real? Like it feels like you can see, you can hear, you can smell, you can touch, and you can talk to people, you can talk to anyone you would like, and you can do anything. There's no limits, and there's no limits here, only what we make it to in our mind. And our mind is not our brain, it's the consciousness, it's the energy that we have here right now. Thank you.